Yeah, yeah,
There you
yeah.
go.
When you move up here to Michigan and rent my room back here in my house so I can afford to live here.
See,
If I have to
Sunday.
drive down there and pick your ass up and bring you up here, I'll do that.
It says Sunday night. My buddy's dirty orifice. I I actually changed it.
Dying. Sorry.
Is that right? I've enlarged it so it's
Sorry, baby Jesus. I love that. Sorry, baby Jesus. Yes, exactly. Category how-to videos. Oh, sweet gosh. Wake my kid up.
hey, I'll take the blame.
She'd be like, oh, that's okay. That's okay.
That sounds good, Barry. You need to make a how-to video.
Help
Video.
is that
Hey, hey, Barry. Hey,
yeah,
Barry.
yeah.
Tag me in this video title for my channel.
Or don't.
No, do. Because it will give him, well, what do I got? I don't know, 7,000, 8,000 followers or whatever. Just tag me and tag my, whatever shit. I can't even say it right. Dang it. I'm all flustered right now. Thinking about orifice crap.
It's got you excited, don't it? It's got
I
you.
haven't done that to a woman in a long time. Just get her all flustered. So
See what happens?
that's that just made my night.
What made your night? The orifice of the thing of that he's been talking about?
No, it's you flustered. I get you all
Oh,
flustered.
oh yeah. Well, yeah.
He's well, he's gonna be in pretty good shape tonight. He'll be able to sleep well. He's got a clean orifice and everything. He'll be okay.
Oh my gosh.